Hello everyone, my name is T.P. Singh. I am working with Teledyne FLIR as Senior Director Sales for emerging countries. This particular video is just to introduce you to our company and the products. First of all, I would like to thank Engineering Review team for giving us an opportunity to do this particular activity. Much appreciated. So, talking about the company, Teledyne FLIR, we are a US multinational having our head office in California. We are listed on New York Stock Exchange, having our annual turnover of USD $5 billion. Predominantly, as Teledyne FLIR, we are into thermal imaging cameras, having presence in more than 100 countries. What thermal imaging camera means? A product which can visualize the heat, and we can make the measurement. We can go up to plus minus 1 degree centigrade in terms of measurements. We have got range of products, predictive maintenance, which is predominantly being used by electrical utilities, oil and gas companies, manufacturing companies as well. Then we have got optical gas imaging cameras, which can visualize the leakage of gases, which includes volatile organic compounds, which means methane, ethane, propane, butane, and SF6, carbon monoxide, and even carbon dioxide as well. The next level of products are for firefighting cameras. Our naked eye cannot see through the smoke, but a thermal camera can immediately see through the same. Then we also have science grade cameras, which are used for the R&D purposes. If somebody wants a fixed type of installation, they don't just want the handheld cameras, then we have the automation range of products 24/7. Those cameras are working even if the camera has been installed in Mumbai or sitting in Kerala, and you set the temperature that up and down, this is the temperature. You should get an alarm sitting at your home, definitely possible on your mobile. And then we have got a test and measurement range of products as well, multimeter, clamp meter, and so many other stuff. The major product which is being used in India by the electrical utilities is this one. It is a very special product which has got movable optics, very easy to use, and it has got high sensitivity viewfinder as well, because during the day sun is quite sharp, and this particular product helps all the electrical utilities very well. It has been well accepted by many around the globe, including India. This was a brief introduction about the company and myself. Feel free to contact us in case you have any questions. At the video down below, they will be putting my email ID as well. Thank you and have a nice day.